Seventh, oxidizing nature. F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent among all the elements. F2 gas plus 2 electron giving 2 fluoride ion in aqueous medium. E0, the standard reduction potential, is 2.87 volt at 298 Kelvin temperature. Thus it oxidizes chlorate into perchlorate, bisulfate into persulfate, ammonia into nitrogen, H2S into SF6. The chemical equations can be developed as F2 plus 2 electron equal to 2F minus. Next is 2HSO4 minus giving S2O82 minus plus 2H plus 2 electron. Adding these two half equations with the cancellation of electrons, we get F2 plus 2HSO4 minus giving 2F minus plus S2O82 minus plus 2 proton. Or we can write F2 plus 2 NaHSO4 equal to 2HF plus Na2H2O8. Eighth reaction is reaction with xenon. Fluorine directly reacts with xenon to form xenon fluorides. That is Xe plus F2. In excess of xenon, the product is XeF2. But if we take these two reactants in 1:5 ratio, then the product is xenon tetrafluoride. However, if the ratio is 1:20, then the product is called xenon hexafluoride. Ninth, with hydrocarbons. It reacts with hydrocarbons explosively to give fluorinated compounds. Thus, methane plus fluorine, we get monochloromethane, then dichloromethane, then trichloromethane, and ultimately carbon tetrafluoride. Structure. F2 is a linear molecule with FF bond distance 143 picometer, which is more than the expected value on the basis of covalent radius. It may be due to electron pair repulsion. This weakens the bond and hence its bond energy is also low. General study of all the three halogens, that is X2, means Cl2, Br2 and I2. Preparation. A. Heating sodium halide but not sodium fluoride with manganese dioxide and concentrated H2SO4. The reaction is 2NaX plus MnO2 plus 3H2SO4 on heating give 2NaHSO4 plus MnSO4 plus 2H2O plus X2. This is a method common for all the three halogens. In this reaction, MnO2 oxidizes X minus into X2. B. Some individual methods. So first of all, for chlorine, it can be prepared by oxidation of HCl by MnO2 or PbO2 or KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, etc. It can be prepared on large scale by electrolysis of NaCl solution. Bromine. It can be prepared by number 1, kBr aqueous plus Cl2 giving 2 KCl plus Br2. Number 2, 5 kBr plus kBrO3 plus 6 HCl give 6 KCl plus 3 Br2 plus 3 H2O. Number 3, seawater is the most important source of bromine. The seawater is slightly acidified and then treated with chlorine to liberate bromine. That is Cl2 plus dissolved bromides in seawater such as NaBr, KBr, magnesium bromide, etc. We get corresponding chlorides plus Br2. The bromine thus produced is blown out by means of a current of air. The air carrying the bromine vapors are passed through sodium carbonate tower where following reaction takes place: 3 Na2CO3 plus 3 Br2 giving NaBrO3, that is sodium bromate, plus 5 NaBr plus 3 CO2. Then the solution containing sodium bromate and sodium bromide is distilled with sulfuric acid where bromine is set free according to following reaction. That is 5 NaBr plus NaBrO3 plus 3 H2SO4. On distillation we get 3 Na2SO4 plus 3 H2O plus 3 Br2 vapors. The vapors of bromine thus obtained are condensed into bromine liquid. Now next is I2, iodine. For its preparation, the first method is 2 Ki aqueous plus Cl2. We get 2 KCl plus I2. This is a replacement method. Second, CuSO4 plus 2 Ki, we get CuI2 plus K2SO4. But CuI2, the cupric iodide, is not much stable. It dissociates into Cu2I2, that is cuprous iodide, and iodine. Third method, certain seaweeds contain about 0.5% iodine in their ashes known as kelp. The kelp is extracted with hot water and then the solution is cooled. This separates out chlorides, sulfates and carbonates, but iodides remain in the solution, which is then heated with manganese dioxide and concentrated sulfuric acid, same as common method. So I2 thus obtained is purified by sublimation. Properties for chlorine: it's a yellow-green gas with pungent smell. It is poisonous, heavier than air, and fairly soluble in water. To give chlorine water at 0 degrees Celsius, crystals of chlorine hydrate Cl2.8H2O are formed